Introduce features or interest or overviews for FIBBR wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, 2.4G/5G wireless dual-band transmission, 50-meter HDMI wireless extender kit for streaming media. PC, laptop, dongle, projector, monitor and more. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or include 164 feet/50 meters HDMI wireless transmission. This wireless HDMI set can wirelessly transmit a distance of up to 50 meters in an open area without delay or lag. The transmission distance is enough to cover the entire conference room or office, and it is easy to achieve long-distance transmission without interference. 2.4G/5G wireless dual-band transmission. The receiver adopts HDMI plus VGA plus 3.5mm 3 ports, enabling wireless transmission of audio and video from laptops to HD TVs, projectors, and monitors. Restore the real auditory and visual feast. Plug and play. No messy wires, simple connection and pairing for the convenience of wireless streaming. It solves the problems of traditional HDMI cable connection and wiring, such as troublesome, messy, and short transmission distances. It doesn't take up much space and can easily share the screen between different laptops and computers. 1RX can pair with 8TXS. 1RX can match the signals of 8TXS at the same time. Just press the middle button of the transmitter to achieve one-key switching of multiple transmitters. Multi-screen sharing is the best option for meeting rooms. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.